Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Product Reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 9 best inflatable paddleboards you can get for fun, fitness, or even yoga on the water. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddler, these boards are designed to make your time on the water safe, stable, and enjoyable. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump right in and explore the boards that everyone's talking about. Inflatable SUP Paddleboard. The Inflatable SUP Paddleboard is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile and portable board. It's made from durable materials that ensure long-lasting use and can handle both calm waters and light waves. With its non-slip deck, you'll feel stable whether you're paddling, doing yoga, or even fishing. The board is lightweight and easy to inflate, so you can carry it anywhere without hassle. It also comes with essential accessories like a pump, paddle, and leash, making it ready to hit the water right out of the box. Perfect for beginners and experienced paddlers alike, this board combines convenience, performance, and fun in one amazing package. All-round inflatable SUP board. The all-round inflatable SUP board is designed for ultimate versatility. Its wide, stable surface makes it ideal for adults and youth of all skill levels, and the non-slip EVA deck ensures secure footing during every activity. Inflating and deflating is a breeze thanks to its efficient pump, while the included accessories like a paddle, leash, and backpack make it convenient to carry and store. This board is perfect for fitness, yoga, fishing, or just relaxing on the water. Its durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance even with frequent use. If you want a reliable, fun, and portable board that works well for any adventure, this all-round SUP board has you covered. 10.6-inch inflatable SUP board. The 10.6-inch inflatable SUP board is an excellent choice for anyone seeking stability and comfort. Its slightly longer design provides better tracking, making it easier to paddle longer distances efficiently. The board features a non-slip deck for safe footing and a durable construction that can handle different water conditions. It comes with all the essential accessories, including a paddle, leash, hand pump, and backpack for easy transport. Whether you're practicing yoga, fishing, or exploring calm lakes, this board adapts to all your needs. Its portability and quick setup make it perfect for spontaneous adventures. Lightweight, sturdy, and beginner-friendly, this board offers a fantastic combination of convenience and performance. Nifian Inflatable SUP Board. The Nifian Inflatable SUP board stands out with its beginner-friendly stable track fin system, which adds extra stability for safe paddling. Its durable materials and anti-slip EVA deck ensure a secure experience on the water. Suitable for adults and youth, it's perfect for yoga, fitness, or recreational paddling. The board inflates quickly, and the included accessories like a paddle, leash, pump, and backpack make transportation a breeze. Whether you're tackling calm lakes or slow rivers, the Nifian board gives confidence and comfort with every stroke. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use inflatable paddleboard. Fun, practical, and versatile, this board is a great addition to any water adventure. 10.4-inch inflatable SUP board. The 10.4-inch inflatable SUP board is perfect for paddlers seeking a compact yet stable board. Its slightly shorter design makes it agile and easy to maneuver, while the wide deck provides excellent balance for yoga, fitness, or casual paddling. The non-slip surface ensures safety during every activity, and its durable construction can handle various water conditions. This board comes with a complete set of accessories, including a paddle, leash, pump, and backpack, making it simple to transport and store. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's ideal for adults and youth of all skill levels. If you're looking for a versatile and portable SUP board that offers fun, stability, and convenience, this 10.4-inch model is an excellent choice. 11.6-inch My Boat SUP board. The 11.6-inch My Boat SUP board is an extra-wide board designed for stability and performance. Perfect for fishing, yoga, or family adventures, it features 3 removable fins and a dual bungee storage system for convenience. The non-slip deck ensures a secure experience, and the board comes with a pump, paddle, leash, and even a 5-liter dry bag. Its durable construction makes it ideal for a wide range of water activities. Despite its size, it's easy to inflate, deflate, and transport, so you can enjoy your day on the water without hassle. If you want a reliable and spacious board that balances comfort, performance, and fun, the MyBoat 11.6-inch SUP board is a top contender. Ultralight 10-inch SUP board. The ultralight 10-inch SUP board is designed for those who value portability without compromising stability. Its lightweight materials make it easy to carry to the lake, river, or beach, while the durable deck provides excellent traction for paddling or yoga. This board comes with all necessary accessories like a paddle, leash, pump, and backpack, so it's ready to use right away. Its beginner-friendly design ensures confidence for first-time paddlers while still being suitable for more advanced users. The board's compact size makes it quick to inflate and store, ideal for outdoor adventures. Whether for exercise, recreation, or family fun, the ultralight 10-inch SUP board is convenient, versatile, and enjoyable. Portable 10.6-inch SUP board. The portable 10.6-inch SUP board combines stability, convenience, and fun for all skill levels. Its slightly longer design helps with tracking and makes paddling more efficient, while the non-slip deck ensures safety during activities like yoga, fitness, or leisure paddle. This board is quick to inflate and comes with a complete accessory kit, including a paddle, leash, pump, and backpack for easy transport. Lightweight yet durable, it's designed to withstand different water conditions while still being easy to carry. Perfect for adults and youth, it's a fantastic choice for family outings, solo adventures, or group fun. Enjoy the water with confidence and convenience with this highly versatile portable SUP board. 11-inch inflatable SUP board. The 11-inch inflatable SUP board is built for both stability and versatility. Its wide, non-slip deck ensures safe footing, making it perfect for beginners, yoga enthusiasts, or casual paddlers. The board comes with essential accessories, including a paddle, leash, pump, and backpack, so it's ready for immediate use. Durable construction allows it to handle calm waters and mild waves, while its lightweight design makes it easy to transport. Whether you're paddling solo, fishing, or spending time with family and friends, this board adapts to any activity. Reliable, portable, and user-friendly, the 11-inch inflatable SUP board is a must-have for anyone looking to enjoy water adventures safely and comfortably. That's it for our top 9 best inflatable paddle boards. Each of these boards offers unique features to suit beginners, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a fun, stable, and portable experience on the water. From extra-wide boards for yoga to ultra-light designs for easy transport, there's something for everyone. If you want more details on prices, specifications, or where to buy, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Product Reviews and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting picks.